Hello guys, today we will learn how to increase the mouse click speed by step, and hopefully you will be get more information regarding that. So let's start the video, but before starting the video I will request that please leave some suggestion for me if you wanna add something for my video. And and one more thing, do subscribe and like my channel as well, and the video as well if you like this video. So before any wait without any wait, we need let's start the video first. So first of all, wait a moment. First of all, we need to click on the settings in the start menu, then type mouse. Yeah, you can see here the mouse settings, and then go for the advanced mouse settings as you can see on the screen, and just make this to the low and make this to the higher. So now you can see the click speed here. So thanks for watching my video. If you want more information, do subscribe my channel and like as well. Thank you very much. Bye bye.